Mae Chris Owens. A Jamie Mullen. Disney ar as y tu allan iddo. Yn ôl a Jamie Mullen gan Mendes. Bailey fan Paulo Mendes! O, na chi gol campus. Na chi gol hyfryd gan y tîm cartra. 10 munud I fynd tan yr egwyl. Y cyfuniad. Yr 1-2. A Paulo Mendes y manteisio ar Bailey gefn y rwyd. Owens. Mae Harrington at Chris Owens ar creisiad! Peniad fymryn heibio'r postyn gan Craig Curran. Symudiad slick unwaith eto. A Craig Curran mor agos at dyblu'r fantais. 5 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Pawb yn ôl i'r Fflint. Chris Owens, Bale yn rhydd yn y cwrt ac I gefn y rwyd a George Horan sydd yn dathlu. Y gig yn cael ei chwipio I mewn gan Chris Owens. Blerwch amddiffynol gan yr ymwelwyr. A'r tîm cartra ymhellach ar y blaen. Cei Connah 2. Y Fflint dim. Disney, dan bwysau gan Mike Wilde. Wilde yn dwyn y Bale gan John Disney. Bale I fyny'r canad am Callum Bradley. O, na drosedd yn y fan yna. Dyna mae cefnogwyr y Fflint yn ei hawlio. Mae Jack Kenny I lawr wedi ynafu. Dyna pan bod y golwr yn ei alw fo'n syth draw. Mae Jack Kenny mewn traffath y fan hyn. Jack Kenny torri I fraich dde. Felly'n cael ei gario ddi ar y cae.
I thought we're fantastic, especially first half. I thought we controlled the game. Certainly from the first whistle to the 45th, 46th minute, I thought we were comfortable. We moved the ball well on a really tricky surface. We got everything right tactically, and the lads were fantastic. They were brave on a tricky pitch, like I've just said, and they moved the ball and we scored a fantastic first goal, with something that I've been working on the training ground, combinations, patterns of play, and it's a great move between Jamie Mullen and Paulo, and it's a great finish as well.
No complaints. First half, we were nowhere near our levels that we've been performing at all season, and it's disappointing really, because this is a good opportunity for us to come and showcase how we've been so far this season. It's a local derby against a team in Connah who we know are one of the strongest in terms of they won the cup last week, champions last season. They're one of the strongest teams in terms of resources and budgets in the league, so we know we've got to be at it for a good and give a good account of ourselves, but we weren't today, and that's the disappointing aspect of it. That's not the best Flint Town United performance that we could have given. And second half we got a little bit better, but still we weren't quite at the races in terms of what we'd expect for ourselves and and what we thought we would bring today to the game.
It's been a difficult week for you.
Yeah.
Paulo Mendes scored the first goal. He's been in the middle of the furore. Has it affected you this week?
Nothing at all. It is what it is. Football. That's where we concentrate on the pitch, and it is what it is. No one's. The lads have been outstanding. The staff have been outstanding. Everyone's stuck together and getting on with it. It is what it is. Control the controllables.